Hi guys, I was in Poundland today. Dog toy. So I thought, what can we do with one of them? I've 3D printed hubs for them. I'll be putting it on one of my rubber band powered cars that I've used before. So it's a bit of cardboard, bit of 3D printing for the axle tubes. They're knitting needles for the axles. They're 6mm diameter, I think. 5 or 6, I can't remember. So I'll tap them through because they're a good tight fit. I only bought 2 of them, and I think I'll do the same at the front. I wasn't going to do the front wheels the same, but I think they turned out rather nicely, so I should go back to Poundland tomorrow. Well, actually, today as it is now, because it's just gone midnight. So we'll see if we can pop back to Poundland and see if I can get a couple more of them. They were 75p, reduced from £1.25, so it's end of range. So if I can get another 2 for 75p each, then we'll have 4 wheels. If I can't, then I'll have to make some ordinary wheels for the front. They just caught my imagination. They're nice and soft and grippy, so we won't have any trouble with wheel spin, I don't think, anyway. Very tempting to reuse them later for some sort of off-road vehicle. But we'll do the rubber band powered car anyway. Okay guys, slight change of plan. I went to Poundland again today, a different Poundland, and they didn't have any of these at all. As I mentioned earlier, those were end of range, so they were reduced to 75p each. But the Poundland that I went in today doesn't have them at all. So we've got the rims that I printed, and those will work perfectly well as wheels. But they won't. I was thinking that there was the possibility of trying these on an off-road vehicle, and we'd really want 4 of them for 4-wheel drive. So never mind, we'll just give it a run now. That's an ordinary rubber band powered car. I'll put some rubber bands on it, and we'll see if we can hit the camera. Right, those are some that I've joined together already. That's going to work. Let's see if we can hit it. See if we can hit the camera. Oh well, that was a one-way trip, wasn't it? Bit of super glue required there. That was all that was holding it together. But we got the run, so job done. I will put some glue back on there. Will that stay there for the thumbnail? No, it won't. Okay, we'll have to put some glue on it so I can do a thumbnail.